Why are you still stuck in the same place making the same excuses? You've been playing it safe, staying in your comfort zone and hoping things will magically change. But let me tell you something. Nothing changes if nothing changes. You're not where you want to be because you haven't decided to get serious. It's time to stop whining and start winning. Prioritize ruthlessly. You say you're busy, but are you really? Or are you just filling your days with meaningless tasks to feel productive? Cut the crap. Focus on what actually matters. Identify the few critical tasks that will push you forward and obliterate the rest. The world doesn't reward mediocrity. It rewards those who focus, who prioritize like their life depends on it, because it does. Overmotivation. Motivation is a lie. You don't need to feel inspired to get things done. Stop waiting for the right mood to hit you and start embracing discipline. It's the daily grind, the relentless pursuit of your goals that will make you unstoppable. Motivation fades, but discipline lasts forever. Be the person who shows up every day no matter what. That's how you get shit done. Embrace the grind. Success isn't pretty. It's not Instagram filters and feel-good quotes. It's hard work, sweat, and sacrifice. If you're not willing to grind, don't expect to shine. Every day you waste is a day you'll never get back. Stop avoiding the hard work. Embrace it. It's in the struggle that you'll find your strength. The grind is your ally, not your enemy. Fail forward. You're scared to fail, aren't you? Newsflash, failure is inevitable. But here's the catch. It's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up. Fail, learn, adjust, and keep moving. Failure is just feedback, nothing more. It's the universe telling you what doesn't work so you can find what does. The only true failure is quitting. Burn the bridges. Stop leaving yourself an out. If you're serious about achieving greatness, you need to commit 100%. Half-hearted efforts lead to half-hearted results. Burn the bridges behind you. Make it so there's no turning back. When you have no choice but to succeed, that's when you become unstoppable. Go all in, or don't bother at all. You've got the power to change your life, but it's up to you to make it happen. No more excuses, no more delays. You want to be unstoppable? Then start acting like it. Get up, get to work, and get shit done. Because if you don't, someone else will, and they'll be the one living the life you're dreaming of.